Oh, what's this? No flippin' way. It's here. It's here. What do you think, Sophia?
I think it looks great.
Awesome. Alright guys, the new backyard graphics just came in. They're gonna look sick. Let's see what we got. Look at that. We got that Arizona right on the front plate. We got the mulligan. Got my number. I don't know what other goodies are in here. We'll have to open this up and give it a look. Got the front plate. Got the giant bull on it. This is gonna be sick. Alright, got the bike up on the stand. Gonna wash it, take off these old graphics, because we can't have new until we get rid of the old. Alrighty guys, got all the stickers off. Now we just gotta give it a good rinse to get it nice and clean before we put the new stickers on. All clean, got all the plastics off. Just gonna let it dry for a little bit. I know you guys are gonna love the way this bike looks because I love it so much. It looks awesome. Finally got this thing wrapped up. That took so long. Had to pull out the heat gun so it would bend. But yeah, it's looking nice. Got the Arizona. Woo! We got the fork guards all covered up. Let's put them on. Let's go. Who knew it was that easy to put them back on? Alright guys, just to address the rumors, no, I am not sponsored by Arizona. They said that we could make the graphics, but we couldn't sell them and that they did not want to sponsor me. I decided to make a graphics kit using the Arizona logo because before every ride, if you know me, I am diabetic. And when you're riding, that's a lot of exercise, so your blood sugar, it kind of goes down. But Arizona tea keeps me refreshed and fueled long enough to ride. I drink a can before every ride. It's just one of the best things out there for fuel.
Bad influence and I know she can hide me. Find my peace, so try to divine.